Hello class. Today we are doing Green P6.2. We are omitting the grid questions, okay? And we're moving to the composite figures. Find the perimeter of the figure. So we're looking at number 4, okay? All right, and so because I only do even numbers with you, okay? Now, I'm going to get started with this one. Here we have two uh, shapes. We have here our rectangular shape, and here we have our semicircle, okay? So with our rectangle, we know that 8 is here, and we know that 8 is here. With our semicircle, our diameter is 5, okay? So now, if we get the perimeter of our rectangle, only the side that is a part of the outside of our entire shape, we have this side and this side. Both are 8. 8 and 8 is 16. That takes care of that. But when we look at our semicircle, we need to use the circumference formula for our semicircle, okay? And we know that that is, in this case, because we're using diameter, we know that is pi times d. So pi being 3.14, and d in this case is 5. So we multiply that out, and we have a 20. That's 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 3 times 3 is 15. Okay? And therefore, we have 15 and 7/10. Okay? That's for one semicircle. We have two. This is for a whole circle, the circumference, okay? And so normally we would divide this in half for the one semicircle. Be correct in my terminology. We would normally divide this in half for the semicircle, but because we have the whole circle, pi times diameter, we're going to keep the whole thing because we have two of these, and these two together are the same, so we keep this whole amount. So we put this whole amount with our 16, and we add it together, and we have 31 and 7/10, and that would be the perimeter for number 4. And that's our lesson for today. Just to give you a hint, for number 5 here is asking, you have a swimming pool installed, find the perimeter of the swimming pool. We know this side is 40, this side is 12, this side is 28, this side is 12. But we don't know this side, okay? We know this is 12 here. So therefore, we would take the 12 away from the 28, and what's left would go here. And then we know this is 40. We would take 12 from the 40, and that would be the measurement that goes here. And therefore, you can determine the perimeter of the entire swimming pool, okay? All right. See you in the morning.